Feeling good, having fun?
In this video, I'm going to unbox and review Campark X40 action camera. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, we have the box here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Shabam! Okay. Right off the box, we have the waterproof 360. Still, I don't know what that means. I think that's the term they come up with. It does have this display in the front and another display in the back. And we have the built-in electronic image stabilizer. So that's really important for action cameras because you don't want those shakes too much in your video. And this one has the native 4K Ultra HD video recording. We have the Wi-Fi connection, so you can use the app to do the recording, taking pictures, review the footage, and all of that good stuff. This one right now on Amazon is $110. This one has the touch screen LCD. We have a bunch of accessories. We have an extra back door for the waterproofing case. This one comes with the wristband that controls the recording and taking picture. I mean, that's really useful if you have this camera hooked on your helmet or on the car. You're recording a footage that you cannot really reach out to your camera. You can use this one just to stop recording, start recording, taking pictures, stuff like that. This one actually comes with lav mic included in the box. Right now you can connect this lav mic and have a better audio when you do vlogs and stuff. And it also comes with 2 battery included. One is extra and one goes to the camera. And here is the camera itself. It's actually smaller than the X35 that I reviewed. It is lighter as well. Pretty nice build, premium package. You have the buttons on the side and one on the top on the waterproof case. It looks more plasticky and it's lighter. It looks cheaper actually, but yeah, it packs more features. On the top we have the power and OK button. On the right side we have the M, I think it stands for the menu, and the down button. And in the bottom you can put your battery in. And on the left side we have the micro HDMI out, we have the micro USB, and we have the memory card slot on the left side. Touch screen is really responsive when I touch, and there's a barcode if you want to download the app and use it on your phone. We have a really nice field of view. I see a little bit of a fisheye effect on the sides, pressing the M on the right side. Okay, so the M basically takes you to the menu, or you can go to the setting from the right side of the screen. Scroll left and right, it will change between the video and the photo mode. If I scroll down, we go to the quick menu. We have the 4K 30 FPS, we have the 2.7K 30 FPS, we have the 1080p 120 FPS if you want to record this slow motion footage. We have the 1080p 60, that one's actually a slow motion as well, but not as slow as 1080p 120 FPS. The more frame rates you get, you can slow down the footage a lot slower with higher quality. We have the normal 1080p 30 FPS if you want to record more on your memory card. We also have the 720p 240 FPS. This is the highest frame rate that this camera can record, but at a lower quality of 720p. Let's put the video quality on the high, so we're gonna get the highest quality of the video out of this camera. Record audio, of course, turn on. So we have the option to use the external microphone, which is included in the package. Make sure you format your memory card before your first use, so for better performance. I'm gonna go to the quick setting and turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, it will give me the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. I'm gonna click on that. And using the password they provided, okay, we are connected. Open the app. We're gonna use the camera to shoot videos, so click on that. If I move it around, we have a pretty quick, low latency feed from the camera. Video quality is available here as well. We have the 4K, everything we saw on the menu, we have them available here. We can record the video, we can record the slow motion, we can record loop, we can do the time lapse as well. You can access to your settings here. Everything was on the camera is here included is as well. You can control basically everything within the app. And also you can take pictures as well. Took one, another one. Pretty fast, easy to use. And if you want to check the gallery, you just click on the gallery right here and it show you all the videos that we recorded and the pictures we took right here in the gallery section.
We are recording at 4K 30 FPS right now. The lav mic is not connected, so this is the audio that you're hearing from the camera itself with no microphone attached. Right now weather is a little bit cloudy and sunny all together. Just walking down the street and trying to give you guys some footage from around the area. As far as I see the colors are pretty good, saturated. Actually the colors are even better than the X35 model, and this one is more natural looking colors. And right now I'm just gonna switch to the lav mic and show you guys the footage with the lav mic. Okay, now I'm recording using the lav mic attached to my chest. This is the audio you are getting from the lav mic that is included in the package right now. And I'm watching myself in the front LCD of this camera, which is really useful, but in the really bright environment you cannot really see yourself much. So this is what you're getting with the lav mic and everything. One other thing that I noticed, when you're recording you cannot really switch back between the front and the back LCD, so you have to stop recording if you want to go back to the back LCD and not using this vlog mode. Okay, and now I'm recording on 2.7K 30 FPS right now. This one is I would say 25% lower resolution than the 4K, and I'm using the lav mic still for the rest of the video. And also I have the wrist control on my hand. The colors are really nice. The view is really good, and also we have the wide angle as far as the view goes. Very nice. We go back. 2.7K quality, 30 FPS. Okay, now I switched to 1080p 120 FPS. It gives you the really nice quality, full HD quality, and also give you the higher frame rate. So if you want to slow down the footage in the post, you can actually get a really nice slow footage. I'm going to slow down the footage. It will give you guys a really nice slow footage if you want to use this mode with higher frame rate. In this mode I'm recording at 720p 240 FPS mode. In this mode you get a really higher frames, but the quality is going to be kind of low because it's going to be half of the full HD quality. But what you get is higher frames. You're going to use this for a really nice slow footage. On the footage right here, I'm going to slow all of these cars in the post so you guys get the feeling of how slow that we can get in this. This is a really slow footage.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.